I don't know where his buddy is. He didn't go down instantly. There he is. He's out there.
Oh shit. Yeah, let's just chill. Gotta come to us. He's run up.
Got him. He's down. Tell him to eat a fucking dick.
Circle's moving. Shit.
It's gonna be slow. Alright. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Shit. Run this. Yeah, right here. We're good.
I'm going around the side of this wall. I don't know. I'll tell you in a second. Run around this wall in this building right here.
Right here.
Whew. I've got 2 first aids.
I made. Oh, I got left too. That dude had a shitload on him, but I couldn't. Oh shit! There's someone on top of that hill.
I see him. I see him. I can hit him. I got a sniper. Did he move?
He's down. He's running towards.
Guy in a ghillie suit.
Killed him.
I am not trying to kill that guy out there with that ghillie suit, man. He's got way too good of a beat on me. I'm just running. He's out on that hill about. Oh shit! He's shooting at me right now.
There's people in those buildings 140 south from us. Directly south. Yeah, he's watching. I mean, we're gonna be good right here, probably. If, well, you want to get across the street right here?
I just want to get my bearings where these people are shooting us from. Don't try to peek him. Fuck it.
I knocked him. I knocked one. You want to push? Now's the time.
Where's he at?
He's in these buildings right here.
Oh, these ones right here?
130. Farther one.
I'm going. I'm pushing.
Someone on top of the hill. Behind us.
Fuck, he got me.
Got him. Come here.
Nice. We can do this shit.
Another team left. Heal up. I think they're on top of the hill.
What hill?
A big one right in front of us.
Think I have anything good?
I don't know.
We're in the circle right here, right?
My kid. Oh, I see them. I see both of them southeast on top of the ridge. Not on top of the big hill, but... Ooh! See him?
No. I don't see him. Fuck! Oh, I see him now. He just hit me.
Yeah. So they're gonna have to come down.
Oh, I hit him good. I hit him good. He's hurt. He's healing. Knocked him. Knocked him.
Alright, let's push.
I'm winning it right now. Hit him. Hit him. He's running. Up on the top of that ridge up there. I'm gonna stay back. Hit him a couple more times up there. Yeah! Nice. Fuck yeah! Woo! Fuck, I